Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Podio. But before we dive into what it is and how it can be used, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information and tasks you have to juggle on a daily basis? Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to stay organized, it can be tough to keep track of everything. That's where Podio comes in. What is Podio? Podio is a powerful work management platform that can help you organize your projects, tasks, and files. It's designed to be flexible and customizable, so you can use it to fit your specific needs. Think of Podio as your own personal digital assistant. It can help you stay on top of your deadlines, collaborate with your team, and track your progress. Who is Podio for? Podio is for anyone who wants to be more productive and organized. It's especially useful for teams and projects. Podio can help you manage projects of any size, from small teams to large enterprises. Freelancers and consultants. Podio can help you keep track of your clients, projects, and tasks. Students. Podio can help you organize your assignments, study groups, and research. Individuals. Podio can help you stay on top of your personal tasks and goals. How can Podio help you? There are so many ways that Podio can help you, but here are a few of the most popular features. Tasks. Create and assign tasks to yourself or others. Set deadlines, priorities, and track progress. Projects. Create and manage projects of any size. Add tasks, files, and discussions to your projects. Workflows. Automate repetitive tasks and processes. Files. Store and share files of any type. Discussions. Collaborate with your team and discuss projects and tasks. Reports. Track your progress and analyze your data. Podio also has a number of integrations with other popular tools, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. This makes it easy to integrate Podio into your existing workflow. How to get started with Podio? Getting started with Podio is easy. Just sign up for a free account and start creating your own workspace. You can also find a number of tutorials and resources online to help you get started. Pricing. Podio offers a variety of pricing plans to meet your needs. There is a free plan available, as well as paid plans for individuals and teams. Podio is a powerful and flexible work management platform that can help you get more organized and productive. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to stay on top of your to-do list, Podio can help. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today and start using Podio to transform your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope this script is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.